Hi everyone, welcome to Crypto Gaming and DeFi Weekly Update. We will have a look at the market in general, interesting news of play-to-earn projects of the last week, and covering the Sandbox, Gala, Hero and Empires, Hero Arena, Defi Warrior, and Crystal Kingdom, and more. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's go. So first we have a look at the market in general. We're here on CoinMarketCap, and yeah, just have a look at the 24 and 7-day performance. So basically we see Bitcoin, Ether, BNB all in a range of like +2 -5%. So in flat in general, XRP with a little pump in the last week, and yeah, the newer blockchain projects like Cardano, Solana, Polkadot, they all down, yeah, let's say significantly. Luna, so not a good time for those projects right now. Shiba Inu with a little pump this week of more than 20%, so good for all holders. Yeah, we see Cosmos, Chainlink also down, Near Protocol. So yeah, in general, not a good week for yeah, let's say smaller blockchains compared to ETH and Bitcoin. Let's have a look at Solana. We have a 1-year chart, so yeah, basically nice pump to 200, and then right now it's coming down, and it bottomed out at around 90, 88, get back up of over 100, and now it's coming down again. So yeah, from a technical point of view, this bottom should not break, otherwise we might see lower lows, which would not be good in general. So hopefully yeah, Solana holds it at 90. Would also be a good sign for the crypto market as well, if the lows will hold on this one. And if we look at Polkadot, looks basically the same. Had a nice pump at the same time around April, and then it went down and kind of bottomed out at yeah, 18 around. So that pump was also the time when the auctions, the Polka chain auctions started. So yeah, and since then basically selling pressure, and hopefully that will hold as well. So around 18 yeah, would be important. On the other hand, this might be an opportunity to pick up some tokens, Solana or DOT. Yeah, if you have the opinion, then we don't see lower lows. So yeah, have a look at Bitcoin as the benchmark for the crypto market. Yeah, here we look at Binance chart, like this much more, because you can easily play around with the indicators. So I added moving average and weighted moving average. Difference between those is basically that weighted moving average weights newer prices higher than old prices. So you have this yeah, the newer prices basically, yeah, as I said, are weighted higher, so you have this time weighting also in the weighted moving average. So yeah, we can see also Bitcoin went down the last couple of months, as we probably all know, but yeah, the moving average, the short-term moving average of 22 days, it's going back to positive, so that's kind of a good sign. But prices are coming down again in the last couple of days, so yeah, probably they fight around this price range right now between 40,000, 45,000. If we have a look like over a couple of months, so basically we see it's a nice trading range between 30,000 and 60,000. So it's a big one, but yeah, also looks kind of nice. If we look at the last dip basically, and how it bottomed out, and I mean we have kind of similar price fluctuation over here. So and if we have a look at the moving average as well. I mean, you can see in this area right now, there was kind of a positive trend. Now, not really. So, but kind of flattened down the negative trend, like you can see here. Even we go a little bit in positive territory. But I would suggest, or in my opinion, no financial advice, obviously. My opinion, I think we are around in this time area, so prices going up, as we can see here. Probably they will go down a little bit more, as we can. So that's basically my expectation. Fluctuate for 1 to 3 months in the area of, yeah, let's say 45,000 to 35,000. Hopefully they will not break the 35. Otherwise we have another situation at that 30,000, which needs to hold. Yeah, and after that, hopefully 30,000 will hold. Put it that way. Yeah, basically my expectation is that we will have this price fluctuation between 45 maximum, like let's say 42 to 36 for another 1-2 months, and then we will see the price going up again. So that's basically my interpretation of what I can see in the chart. Now we want to have a look at the Sandbox. Sandbox had nice news this week. They announced a project together with Ubisoft. Ubisoft, one of the biggest gaming developers in the world, and then Ubisoft basically bought some land and announced that they will drop Ravaging Rabbit NFTs in the Sandbox. So that's quite good news, and as we can see, that happened around here probably. So yeah, token pumped to 840 right now. It's in a nice range, so yeah, might be a good pickup as well. Sandbox is getting bigger, and if you believe that Sandbox will one of the biggest player in the metaverse, it might be a good time to pick some up for kind of a discount compared to the top. Yeah, basically the same as Gala. Gala chart looks quite similar. Pumped to 70 cents, and now it bottomed out at 20 cents. Right now it around 30 cents. So Gala Games, yeah, nice developer of play to earn games. I think they're developing right now 3-4 games. Some of them are already playable. And this week they dropped the news for Gala Music together with Snoop Dogg. So basically you can buy a Gala node or Gala Music node, and then you will own some of the music, and whenever someone plays your music on the blockchain, you get a reward for that. So yeah, nice idea, and Snoop Dogg is one of the first famous players in the market. So yeah, actually good news for Gala and the crypto NFT whatever in general. So yeah, finally we have a look at Chicks. I discussed SolChicks and Chicks in 2 videos already. Yeah, as we can see, the chart doesn't look nice. It looks actually pretty ugly. And if we look at the 1 month chart, I think my first video was around here. So good timing to take this pump. Yeah, but unfortunately it was not sustainable, and so price is going down again. Yeah, basically to this area where I said basically it's kind of a cheap token right now. Now we're at 3 cents again. Yeah, but I also said, and I still believe this is a long-term project. So the game will be out sometime this year. The first parts of the game will be out. They said Q1, so in March probably, and then the token will get some utility. On the other hand, yeah, the vesting period basically finalized this week or next week, and then everyone who has bought some tokens in the IDO has the tokens in the wallet. And yeah, I believe that on the way up, you might see some selling pressure at around 5 cents. So people basically saying, okay, I was holding this for such a long time. I was down 50% and more. Now I'm break even. Let's get rid of it. So yeah, have that in mind. For me, it's a long-term play, 2022 and 2023 and beyond. So small update on Basketball Legends. Basically, the game is still the same, but yeah, we've been able to buy a second pack of players. So doubled the players from 2 to 4 with the rewards we received in the last 2 weeks. So now we have 4 players. Hopefully rewards will double, and then yeah, we need another thing is obviously price of the token. Yeah, chart doesn't looks good as well, but at least there are no new lows, and hopefully the token will stabilize on that level and then go back to this part. So that would be nice. Yeah, even thinking about that within 1.5 or 2 weeks, basically I doubled my investment, or I got my money back if you put it like this. And yeah, every 1.5 and 2 weeks I expect to receive the tokens I already put in, and then if the price increased, that would be nice. So quick look on NFT foreplay, which I introduced to you last week. Yeah, after the first week we contributed the $25 for the membership. We received 1 green medal, which we can claim right now, and we did win in the lottery $3.32, which we also can claim. So yeah, $25 investment, $3.32 outcome in 1 week. Yeah, not that bad. So Crystal Kingdoms, yeah, kind of bad news for Crystal Kingdoms. I made a video and showed you the game, and unfortunately the game is not playable for some time now, for a couple of days. And in their Discord, basically they explained what happened. Yeah, that one guy basically was able to withdraw a lot of tokens from the reward pool. Yeah, and basically drowned the reward pool. So they basically put it on hold. Yeah, as you can see, 9th of February, our server was exploited, and then we figured out how it happened. Yeah, they say nothing to worry about, and so on. So yeah, good news and bad news. They are pretty proactive in the communication. In my opinion, you can see they post something on the 9th, on the 10th, keep everyone in the Discord updated on the 10th. So there are a lot of posts, and yeah, I think that's a good sign if the team responded like this. And basically they say yeah, like 10 hours ago, 12 hours ago, that they will go back live within the next 36 hours, and yeah, that they will set withdrawal limits, yeah, and did some changes in the structure to avoid that anything like this will happen again. So yeah, as I said, good news and bad news. The communication, in my opinion, of the team was pretty good. If we have a look at the token itself, yeah, obviously you don't like it when something like this happens. So right now we're at the low, and probably getting lower. Hopefully the team will regain some trust, and yeah, has a plan to make all the investors whole again. The team, the game itself, in my opinion, looked good. It was fun to play this every day, like 10 minutes. Yeah, I would like to see the game open again and recover from something like this. So Defi Warrior will have a huge update. So basically, the information is also from end of January, but they yeah, announce more information about their update. Basically on a kind of by every second or every third day. yeah, as I basically the update it's basically a full game update. So the game changes, or the game structure changes quite significantly. So you have been able, for example, you have been able to do the PvP part, yeah, as often as you like, and now they changed it to that you have to have stamina, or that you have to have used stamina, but the stamina also recovers more quickly. Also, if you won a PvP fight in the past, you just received some CVIG token. Now you don't receive any token, but the rewards for the um, leaderboard increase significantly. So if you play PvP, so either first you have to decide if you use your stamina to play PvP or PvE, which was not the case before. And also, if you play PvP and you have a good team, you're able to earn more token than before. So that's basically in the case for me. So I used my tokens to upgrade my team in the last 1 or 2 weeks. So yeah, basically update so far for me. Earning more CVIG tokens than before. They will come with with a world boss. Again, I think they had world boss already in place, but they also changed um, the reward structure and the cost structure and so on. For that one, they changed the gacha, so you have tickets to do the lottery. They will change this as well. So basically, first they will take away all your tickets, as far as I understand, and you will get a CVIG token for this, and then they will have a new structure how to get tickets and how to use the tickets and so on. The mining facilities, that's also quite significantly what they changed. Before you were able to build as many mining facilities as you want. Basically, now it's linked to the heroes and the stars of the heroes you have. So that's also quite a big change. Yeah, and smaller updates in the situation. They will also update the bounty hunting, daily missions, and so on. So they basically saw things in the game which they didn't like, which they thought that either it's easily exploitable, or yeah, that the fever token doesn't have enough utility, the heroes don't have enough utility, and basically the changes, in my opinion, will also lead to a situation that the heroes and the tokens will have more utility in the game, which is always a good thing for the project. Yeah, we don't see this in the token price right now, so it's also pretty flat. Hopefully it bottom out in this situation. It's still above the first price in the from the IDO, so that's kind of a good sign. Yeah, but also it doesn't show any strength to pump or to get higher. I mean, we had this little pump over here, but yeah, it was sold pretty quickly, and now it's basically flattening out. Hopefully the changes in the game will change this, but yeah, in only the future can tell, basically. Another information I wanted to give you is Axis.io. Yeah, it's a play-to-earn blockchain project of Assure Games, which is yeah, a well-known game developer for mobile games. So yeah, they know how to do things, and they started their blockchain play-to-earn project, Axis.io. Axis.io had their second sale last week, Sunday, I believe, where they sold some chests, yeah, of elves, and basically every chest has 4 elves in it. So yeah, I have been able to buy one of the chests, which I'm pretty happy about. And yeah, if we, or at the point where we will have 1,000 subscriptions, I will give away one of the elves in the chest to everyone who basically writes down a comment on this video. So subscribe, leave a comment, and as soon as we will hit 1,000 subscriptions, I will give an elf. I will give away one elf. So Hero Arena, we basically played this game like every day. Not a lot to play actually so far, so it's still clicking a button and then waiting until your team basically finishes everything. But what I notice is that they changed even it was also end of January already where they announced this. Before you had the tokens you earned on a daily basis in your wallet already. Now they introduced some sort of deposit and withdraw system for the Hegem token, or gold, how it's called in the game. They explain it in their post over here. So if you deposit Hegem into the game, you need to have at least 10,000 of them. But also, let's go down to the withdrawal part. Maximum of 100,000 Hegem a day. When you withdraw 1 to 10,000, you will lose 40%, which is a huge tax. If you withdraw 10,000 to 50,000, you will lose 20%. And when you withdraw 50,000 to lower than 100,000, you will only lose 5%. So basically, in my mind, in my head, when I play the game, I play the game until I have at least 50,000 of the Hegem token, and then withdraw it to my wallet. Hegem token right now is at $0.0013. So if you talk about 50,000 Hegem token, you're talking about $65. So it makes sense to put a withdrawal limit at least $65. So not a huge thing, but I think basically you should know that those restrictions are in place, and that you don't withdraw before you have 50,000, because then you lose 20,000 of your token, which doesn't make any sense. So Hero Arena also announced a giveaway, Happy Lunar New Year's giveaway, which is always nice. Basically you have to do some social task to be able to participate, and also refer friends will give you one entry basically. I will post the link down in the description. If you join the giveaway via my link, I will get one entry, and if we will be winning the tokens, like that's basically 1,000 Hero for top 1 and 50 Hero token for the top 40. So if we're able to get to the top 40, I will distribute the tokens to everyone who writes down in the comment. So go down, take the link, do the social task, and then leave a comment below, and you will be part of the raffle if we win one of the prizes. So at the end we look at the Hero token as well. Long term it doesn't look nice as well. So most of the games kind of look like this. Right now we're in a phase. Hopefully they will all bottom out, and then in the future, when the projects develop and will get more utility for the token, that they will come up again. So right now it doesn't look nice, and it doesn't show any strength or anything basically which give you an indication that the price might go up. So that's my my opinion on the token. So Heroes and Empires basically announced this week or last week, or basically I got aware of this week, was from end of January, that they will have a patch note, basically a new game version 14th of February, so in 2 days. Yeah, the summoning of heroes was locked basically, so you were not able to summoning or to create new heroes. So this will change. They will open this again. They will add a bounty hunter mode, so new way to get some rewards, some tokens. They do some changes in the gear strength. They have a daily store which they added, and yeah, the rebalancing of the gear is probably one of the biggest parts of the patch, and also yeah, the reward structure of the game itself. So basically that's what yeah, they basically changed or fixed. Yeah, what's next? They will retire heroes to increase the value of the existing heroes. Obviously, there will be lands. Probably that's kind of a new land or new game version artifact. So yeah, the game is progressing, so that looks good. The token itself doesn't look that good, so it's also basically bottoming out since beginning of the year. There are no more lower lows, so that's a good sign. But yeah, the token doesn't show any strength right now to get up to new highs or to old highs basically. That was the first weekly update of the channel, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments what you like, or if you think that there might be some room for improvements, or what you want to see. If we should add some sections or something like this. Also, we have some watch to earn content in the video, so don't forget about this. There will be also more in future videos. Yeah, as usual, like, subscribe, and leave a comment to be part of the raffle. So see you in the next video. Bye.